Introducing Hero Homes. World of Wellness. Sector 104 Gurugram. For booking World of Wellness, call Manish Manchanda, 9911911191. Introducing Hero Homes. World of Wellness. Sector 104. Gurugram. Located on main Dwarka Expressway, surprisingly efficient 2 and 3 BHK homes. Project land area: 9 acres total towers. 8 launching 4 towers, tower height G+36, G+35 and G+26. Sizes 2 BHK 1099 sqft 68 lakhs, 3 BHK 1359 sqft 84, 5 lakhs, 3 BHK 1389 square feet 86, 21 lakhs, 3 BHK large 1689 square feet 105 lakhs. With all the latest amenities present inside the project: a jogging track, cycling track, cricket pitch, putting greens, bee clubhouse with latest state-of-the-art facilities, gym, spa, restaurant, swimming pool, party hall, squash court, tennis court, badminton court. A total of 104 facilities. Modular kitchen with chimney and hob. Wooden flooring in all the bedrooms. Split air conditioners in living and all bedrooms. Attractive payment plan: 30, 30, 40. For booking Hero Homes. World of Wellness, call Manish Manchanda, 9911911191.